So here's a little change of pace. I've got an old green Ford. This is an old green Ford. I think he said it was a 1928. This is a Model A. It's got the original 4-cylinder, and he daily drives it. It's got a 5-speed and a downdraft carb. These originally had an updraft carburetor. This was purchased by him from a gentleman in Florida. And what he says is that this is capable of 90 miles an hour plus with the 5-speed and the carburetor. It's got the old iron block 4-cylinder flathead, and it's quite an incredible machine. We're here at Ace Hardware, Rancho Home Center, whatever you want to call it. But little nuggets like this that show up, if you're paying attention, you know that I'm pretty into stuff with tires, stuff with a motor, green stuff, orange stuff. Come on, focus. There we go. My focus isn't focusing that good. Why is my focus fixed? Oh, I'm learning how to do this YouTube stuff. It's gonna be a little bit of a learning curve. I do like my Ford products. This is my Ford truck. Universal house, shower, living quarters, traveler, off-road machine. Battery's dying. So gas and oil, cars and trucks, and coffee and cigarettes, and I got a few other things that I'm into, but I don't want my channel to be all heavy, all like emotional nonsense, because I'm not all about that. Here's some dogs humping. Wait. Do that again, dogs. They were just humping. I flipped my camera around and lost it. It was priceless.